Hey Clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing another killer and intense booty workout with you guys. I promised you guys we're going to pump our booties together, and that is exactly what we're doing today. And I figured I would skip today's, basic intro and just hop right into the workout. Today's workout is a little more difficult, but again, very intense for growing that booty. And I'm here to walk you guys step by step through the formation, the exercises, and really what's going on with each and every exercise. So listen up because I have some good tips that I'm about to share with you guys. We are starting off today's killer workout with these unique but very effective squat hip flexor abduction exercise. I don't even know the proper name for this exercise, but that's what we're going to call it. So what's important to do about this exercise is you're going to get in that normal squat stance, and we're going to pivot on, right now we're pivoting on that left toe. We're pivoting on the left toe, bringing the knee down and rotating that body. So that is very important. You need to rotate that top body. Once you're, getting the swing of things, you'll start to feel a bounce with it, and it'll just feel more natural and you'll get that correct formation. Just a heads up, we are doing each and every exercise 3 rounds with 12 to 16 or max reps depending on how, adventurous you're feeling. So for this next exercise, this is another hip adduction exercise. We're really focusing on those side booty today, guys, just so you know, that's just key. Yeah, and so basically what you're going to do, you're going to get in this squat position, and then you're just going to get, obviously, a strong band, and you're going to push your knees outwards where the band is going to force them in. And what you really want to focus on is just like intensifying that booty, squeezing it whenever you're pushing your knees out. I highly recommend using the most intense booty band that you have, just because the more intense it is, the better. But again, we are doing 3 rounds of these, and I did 20 reps of these just because it is a little easier, but these are very effective. And if you need to hold on to something just to stabilize your balance, just go ahead. I am actually taking turns and holding on to the cabinet in front of me. Also, I say this all the time in all of my workout videos, but I cannot stress this enough. Only take max 30 seconds of a rest break in between these rounds, just because you still want that booty to be on fire before you hit that next round. It's just really important for that maximum growth. And as you see here, we only did 30 seconds, not even, 22 seconds, and we're back into it. So yeah, this is just really important if you really are serious about getting those booty gains. Don't stop the grind, like I always say. You can do it. The burn is good. Now we're going to end this booty workout on the ground today, and right now I'm actually moving out of the apartment, and Mason and I are buying our first house, so I will definitely update you guys on that in a separate video, but I just wanted to explain that to you guys because, as you can see, I am using a dog bed for my mat today. Improvising. It's key in working out. So we are doing these donkey kicks. As you can see, these donkey kicks are double banded, and the reason why I am doubling up on my bands for some of these exercises are just because it is just way more effective and way more intense, and that is what we want whenever we want the booty to grow. So as you can see, I have an extra heavy band right under my knees and then a heavy band right in the middle of my thighs. So for the rest of this workout, we are leaving the bands exactly where they are, and we are moving on to these side clams. We're going to do these side clams for each side. You'll see when I rotate to the next side here soon. And we're just focusing on bringing that knee up as best as possible and then holding it there for 3 seconds. Now, you really want to make sure that you are squeezing that booty whenever that knee is at the top, and then slowly release your knee down. And then again, intensify it by bringing it up, hold 3 seconds, and then slowly release the knee down. Another important tip for the next 3 exercises is to keep your core engaged. And what I mean by that is tuck your pelvis in and just make sure your core is engaged. It should really intensify your lower abs. That's just important just for correct formation. As you can see here, I am squeezing in my pelvis and then bringing that knee up. This next exercise is similar to the side crabs that we just did, except it's focusing on both of the side glutes at the same time, and it is very basic. You're just going to want to get in this slightly glute bridge position, and then again bring those knees outwards. So we're doing this double banded just because we did the other one single banded, and we just want to intensify this exercise because it is the second to last exercise that we're doing today, and we want to hit it off on a good note and make sure that booty is killer pumped. So as you can see, I'm really focused on keeping my feet together, and actually you can't see in these shoes, but I'm making sure that my heels are like pushing off on each other, really engaging my heels, just because when you engage your heels, that's making sure that you're engaging the booty. And again, remember to keep that core nice and tight and engaged. Now we are moving on to the last booty workout for the day, and it is just these glute bridges with the hip abduction. These are killer, and as you can see, I'm using this dog bed slash my mat to just really lay my shoulders across and my neck just for maximum comfort. There's really no need to do that. And we are keeping that core engaged, making sure that lower back hits the floor before we press up. And as you can see, I am pressing off my heels. Again, pressing off your heels is just like mandatory whenever you're trying to target those glutes. And we're driving our pelvis forward, and then again with those hip abductions, extending our knees outward 3 times at the top, bringing it back down and doing it over and over again. One last tip that I sometimes forget to mention is that you do want to keep your chin tucked under just for maximum correct formation. Well, that wraps up today's booty workout. I hope you guys loved today's workout. Let me know if you guys try it and what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, I love seeing your guys' before and after results, so definitely send them my way and tag me if you post any. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe because every sky needs their clouds. Bye, clouds. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon.